Welcome to our Lattice How to Guide. In this video demonstration, we will walk you through editing an unstructured data product to remove ABAC controls. Starting on the pinboard, select the Edit icon on your data product. On the Edit page, the details of your data product will pre-fill. Select Continue and move on to the Analysis page. The content pre-fills. Then select Continue and move on to Transform. Here you select ABAC rules to make the edit. The ABAC rule that exists pre-fills. Select Delete and the ABAC rule will be removed. You can then select Content Preview in the navigation bar to review the data. Then moving on to Preview and Publish, you can choose to preview the data again or move directly to Summary and work through the details of your unstructured data product, which all pre-fills, but can be adjusted. As you will note with tabs, we remove and change the tabs to reflect the edit. Once satisfied, publish your data product to the pinboard to be discovered, used, and shared.